Hi guys, it's me Chinmayi and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'll be doing a challenge video and it is a food challenge and I'll be eating only white color food for the next 24 hours. So I thought what other outfit to wear for this other than my white shirt with food on it. So yesterday I had been grocery shopping and I filled my cart up with a few items, and when I looked down it looked all white. So I thought why not pick up a few extra white things and make this video, and I looked it up on the internet and I did find a few videos like this, so it is not an original idea. So yeah, that's that. And if you're new to my channel, then please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also give this video a thumbs up if you want more such videos and if you like this video at any point of time. So without further ado, let's get started.
And I'm not trying to be with you now, but I could be a crush like feel you.
It's freezing right now and I want something warm and toasty. So I thought for breakfast I'll have some masala kulchas toasted with some garlic spread, and I also thought to include one boiled egg. So let's get going.
So here I am toasting some buns or the masala kulchas with some butter, and now that they are toasted I'm just applying some garlic spread, which is so yummy.
So the spread that I've used is this from the brand Chetran, and this is a soya spread with yummy garlic in it. It's super yummy and it gives that really lovely flavor to anything that you are making. This is 100% vegan, so that's a plus. Right now my egg is being boiled, so once that's done I'll see you guys. I'm like super hungry. So my breakfast is ready and it is this toasted kulcha with some garlic spread and a boiled egg. So let's taste the kulcha. I have never tried this kulcha which is in the bun form. So let's see if it tastes like the actual kulcha or not. Actually the best part is it has all these herbs and some chili flakes on it, so I'm sure it will give it a good flavor. And we have some proteins in here. I know this is carbs and fat, but this is proteins, and I can assure you that the lunch and snacks and the dinner are all gonna be here. So it is noon and I was editing a video which is rendering right now. So I'm kind of a little hungry, so before I get too hungry like in the morning and have a huge ass breakfast, so instead of that I thought I would better make my lunch quickly and have a smaller portion, because 2 masala kulchas were a lot and I didn't want to waste it, so I had to eat it. So now I'll be making some Thai curry inspired curry. It's not exactly Thai curry but similar to that. So I have this gigantic cauliflower and some mushroom meat, something similar to a Thai curry. So unfortunately I don't have coconut milk, and coconut milk is the essence of Thai curry, so I will be experimenting and using cow's milk, and let's see how it turns out. I also have corn flour to kind of give it a thick soupy texture, and I especially went out and bought white onion. Looks like I'm taking the challenge really seriously. So yeah, so let's go to the kitchen, and excuse the lighting in the kitchen because it's winter and it's getting really dark. I mean, it's just 2 o'clock and it's already getting dark. So let's go get cooking.
So for this I've washed the cauliflower and I'm cutting it and separating it. I'm gonna cut it down into really small pieces. I'm also gonna cut my onions and mushroom. So after heating up the oil in pan, I'm gonna fry the onions and garlic and mushroom and cauliflower, and I'll just keep it for a while, add some salt and pepper.
So now the mushroom cauliflower Thai inspired curry is ready and the rice is being cooked. So meanwhile I thought why not I show you guys the dessert option that I have for today. So this is an Indian dessert and this is called Shrikhand, and Shrikhand actually is hung yogurt or Greek yogurt which is famous worldwide. It is actually Greek yogurt which is flavored with some kind of spices or fruit flavored, and it is sweet. So Greek yogurt blew up in the internet in the past decade or so, but we Indians have been having Greek yogurt flavored Greek yogurt since many centuries. So this is super healthy and it also satisfies your sweet craving. So that's why I thought this will be a really good option to be used as a dessert, and it doesn't have that much of sugar as compared to the other desserts. So this is a really good option. So this is from this brand Prabhat and this is in the flavor Elaichi. Elaichi is cardamom. So let's go get the lunch.
Now, but I could be a crush, I could feel you for a rush.
So I have my lunch here. I honestly didn't follow any recipe and I didn't even check any recipe. So if this turns out good, then it is totally my recipe, okay? So yeah, let's just check. I mean, it's good, but definitely not as good as the Thai curry that I had in the restaurant. So what this lacks is the sweetness and this is more towards the spicy side. I wish I had coconut milk, it would have turned out better, but it's definitely not bad. It is good, it is eatable. So, and this I know is definitely going to be good because first I didn't prepare it and I have already tasted it. But this will be the first time I'm tasting it with banana. Banana goes well with almost anything. So if you like banana, then, and this is very yummy, so I'm gonna leave it for the end of my lunch. So it's been a while since I had my lunch and I'm kind of craving something. I'm not really hungry, but I'm still craving something. So I thought I'll make some badam milk. So badam is almond. This almond milk is something which a lot of Indians have been drinking since a really long time, and it has a mixture of almond, cardamom, saffron and a little of cashew, I guess. So this almond milk or badam milk, as it's famously called in India, has been it's been used by Indians since a really long time, and I like to drink it cold. I don't really like hot beverages, so I have this pre-made mixture. So this is from the brand MPR and this is a really nice powder, and it also has really tiny pieces of these nuts, so that is really great. So I'll show you how I make this.
For badam milk, I like to add in a little bit of water before adding in some cold milk, and then I like to add half teaspoon of sugar and then add the mixture and mix it really well, and voila, it's ready.
On a new now, and I'm not trying to be with you now, you know.
Hey guys, so I just filmed another video, that's why the outfit change and hairstyle change and all. So I just was filming and was working the entire time, and so I'm really hungry. So I thought for dinner I'm gonna have dosa. So I already had some leftover batter. So yeah, so let's get cooking.
Now, but I could be a crush, I could feel you for a rush, like hoping you text me so I could tell you I've been thinking about your touch, like touch. I could be a...
So here's my really bad attempt at dosa. So I'm gonna have it with some groundnut chutney, which is falling in pellets. I don't know what to do. So this is a slight bit of cheating because it's orange in color, but that was all I had. And this is my dosa and some groundnut chutney. It's really yummy. So yeah, so that is my dinner. So guys, that was the having white food only for 24 hours challenge. So that was quite a... So today was quite an eventful day. I enjoyed it thoroughly, and since I was working the entire day, I felt quite a lot hungry. So I was able to eat quite a lot as well. So today was really good, nutritious and some junk and everything together. I really enjoyed today's food. So guys, that was all for today's video. I really enjoyed today's video and I had really good food and some not so good, but that's okay. Today's challenge was successfully completed except for that one orange chutney which I had to use. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel as well. And yeah, also follow me on my social media if you want to. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Till then, bye.
I'm a little bit intense, right? But can you blame me when you keep me on the fence like? And I've been waiting, hoping that you'd wanna text like, ugh.